How to hide mutual friends on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to hide your mutual friends on Facebook. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook app and make sure that you're logged into your account. And here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the menu section. From here, simply tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. And here, once you are in the settings section, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled as how people find and contact you. And here, once you see the interface like this, simply tap on who can see your friends list. And here inside this option, if this is set to friends and public, go ahead and change it to only me. So here, as you can see, I have already set it to only me. And once you're done with that, simply tap on the save button at the bottom. And that's it. That's how you can hide your mutual friends on Facebook. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.